to state lawyers. The current case file load is around 2,000, my apologies, 250 to 300, it's average. And the potential value of all court files that are against the state is over 10 billion. This is the number of files and the value of files that we deal with. And currently, as we speak, there's still outstanding judgment debts that dates back to the early 2000s, over half a billion. That's actual judgment that the state is yet to settle. And with the leadership of our Attorney General Minister, we are working in terms of dealing with these legacy issues as to outstanding debts. But the current actual risk of judgment entered against the state is quite high, due to us not having offices in those various provinces. That's one of the main reasons why we are establishing an office up in Enga province, yes.
Because we are not there. And so it's really important that not only with the support of the provincial government like Enga, Ella, Jiwaka and West Regional Provincial Government, but if we can set up offices in the rest of the provinces, then it will help us to defend the total value that we estimate to be 10 billion, the value of the cases that we have. And so that's the reason why we have this occasion to partner with the provinces so we can do it better and save the state. The monies it can use to build hospitals, schools, support other services. Otherwise, if we don't turn up, we lose, we pay. We pay to the other parties, and we lose at the end. Thank you to Masa. I think it's private law firms, and so the brief out is always authorized by the Attorney General. We do an assessment of the law firms. We advise the Attorney General, and then Attorney General issues the brief out. When we give the brief out as well, we also have conditions to the law firms and the lawyers who act for us, that they give reports back to us in terms of how they're defending the state. Probably will end up paying about 5 million to private law firms, but in the context of the saving the state, we probably end up saving more than $1 billion with the engagement of private lawyers. And so in the context of the cost and benefit, I think we benefit a lot with a number of private law firms who will support us. That's part of the reason why, under his direction, under the direction of the minister, we are now increasing the number of lawyers in the office of the Solicitor General. So we have promised to increase these numbers up to 70 or even to 90 in the next 2 years. So at least we have more lawyers, as you have read in the numbers that the lawyers are carrying. In the private practice, that number is just too much for one lawyer to carry, more than 300 files. Because the lawyers outside will carry maybe less than 50. And so for us, it's one lawyer carrying 300 files is just too much, and so it's difficult for us. So that's why we have, under the instructions of the minister, we are shoring up the support to the Office of the Solicitor General just to get more and more lawyers in to help us support the state.